Hello, my name is Jean Maurice Gimet. I'm from Hynamics, 100% subsidiary of the EDF Group. We specialize in the production of green hydrogen. We are addressing two markets in hydrogen, the mobility market and the industry market, to provide low carbon or green hydrogen. So we needed to find a monitoring and control system for all of our hydrogen plants, starting with the first one in 2021, but with the ambition to have several in mobility and industry. So we needed to have control on those plants in order to ensure the operation of those, but also monitoring their performance, receive their alarms, and edit the reports that are mandatory for our customer and the owner of the plants. The reason why we chose BaxEnergy at that time is because they could offer the control of the plant, which is not a standard for asset monitoring solution, and also they came with an existing solution for wind, PV and hydro plant that we could feel like it could be adapted and fit our needs for hydrogen plants. So we have customized their existing tool at that time to make it fit to our needs, and they have been able to answer to our request and be responsive and flexible with their own team, and now we are really happy with the solution. So using Energy Studio Pro, it was at the beginning a matter of, I would say, mastering the way we calculate our KPIs. Indeed, in hydrogen, we had the data sheet and the theoretical performance of our equipment, but we needed to make sure that we calculated the right way. When we were done with this task and we were sure about the performance that we were measuring, we have been able to notice some overconsumption of electricity in certain cases, but also some degradation of performance over time due to some parts that were worn, and so tracking those underperformances thanks to the tool was for us a possibility to anticipate some of our maintenance, whether preventive or corrective, and also by analyzing the data lab trends and graphics to define which are the best set points for our electrolyzer to produce hydrogen in order to save some electricity and provide to our customer the hydrogen at the best price, or at least the price that was agreed in our contract. Our collaboration with BaxEnergy, I should say the first word that comes to my mind, it's friendly. I think you have a warm welcome from the whole team, and you can feel like they are committed to their customer, and they never say it's impossible or my tool cannot be adapted to your need. They always try to give you the answer you expect or the solution that you expect. So I would say that's the way those 5 years that we spent already together went through. And sometimes we were facing some challenges, and all the time the right experts are coming to support the sales team or the project team, and they always find a solution. We were also contributing in finding solutions as we try to be involved in the development of the product and to always improve it for our hydrogen plants. But yeah, I would say friendly and efficient. That's how I describe the collaboration so far. Well, yes, of course. We recommend BaxEnergy at Hynamics. What I would recommend it's to take the time, I would say, to analyze the solution and let the BaxEnergy team present you with their core solution and also the new features that they are developing and putting in place for their customers. And feel free to express your needs. They are here to listen to you. They are here to try to give you most of their existing tool and also to adapt to your needs. So I would say come as you are and feel like you are going to be listened and help and support in your activities, whether it's renewable or hydrogen. I hope you will recommend BaxEnergy as well in the future.